Assalamu alaikum all my dear students. Today in live lecture we have discussed about the paper style, and the same I am going to discuss with you, so that those who are not able to attend the live lectures, they should see this video and should know that this year board has prepared which paper style due to pandemic. Okay, so first of all let me tell you that your question paper is divided into two sections, part A and part B. Part A is objective type. That means in part A, which is for 40 mark, MCQs will be there. Okay, objective MCQs. And part B, which is subjective, that means elaborative writing, in which you have to write your answers with lot of elaboration, with points and facts and details, right? You have to write in detail. That part B is for 40 mark. So I think my personal opinion is that CBSE has given you a golden opportunity to earn lot of marks, with ease. But that is only possible when you are thorough with lessons and poems, with each and every line and word and meaning. So for any subject to get good marks, it is very necessary to read. Although they have made the paper style very easy, I think this is for the first time I find such an easy paper. But I should say that if you are not studying, you will not be able to get good marks. But yes, on the other hand, if you have read each lesson line to line, word to word, and with proper understanding, you would be able to score as much as you want. That means this time the whole scenario is in your side. ये बाजी आपके हाथ में है इस बार. आप बोर्ड के ऊपर नहीं कि we don't know that what board is going to do. This time I find the paper style very easy, children. Let us discuss this. Part A is for 40 marks. First is the reading section. Question number 1. This is a discursive passage. Question number 1 is a discursive passage, and in this 12 objective type questions will be asked. 12 MCQ will be asked. Out of 12, only 10 has to be answered, and those 10 are 1 marks each. तो आपका पहला क्वेश्चन 10 मार्क्स का है, और इसमें 12 MCQ जिसमें से आपको करने हैं 10. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज अ फैक्चुअल पैसेज. ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 वाज डिस्कर्सिव पैसेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 2 है वो भी अनसीन पैसेज ही है, बट दैट इज फैक्चुअल पैसेज. फैक्चुअल पैसेज मीन्स बेस्ड ऑन केसेस एंड फैक्ट्स. It can be related to anything. Education से related हो सकता है, pollution से related हो सकता है, national integrity से related, sports, pandemic जो कि अभी current scenario है, anything, right? तो facts के basis पे आपको question answers MCQs आएंगे. 12 MCQs would be there. Again you have to attempt only 10, and this is also for 1 mark each. तो 12 में से आपको 10 क्वेश्चन 10 MCQ अटेम्प्ट करने हैं, एंड ईच इज फॉर 1 मार्क. सो 10 + 10 20 मार्क्स टू पैसेज. देन कम्स लिटरेचर. लिटरेचर इज फॉर 10 मार्क. नाउ क्वेश्चन 3 जो है वो लिटरेचर से आएगा. ये मैं पार्ट ए की बात कर रही हूँ बेटा, जिसमें MCQ है, ऑब्जेक्टिव है, तो उसमें लिटरेचर को भी इंक्लूड किया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 जो होगा वो होगा MCQ बेस्ड ऑन एक्सट्रैक्ट. दैट मीन्स ये रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज ऑल्सो रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट विल बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम ड्रामा और प्रोज. प्रोज मीन्स लेसन्स जो कि फर्स्ट फ्लाइट से भी हो सकता है, सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर से भी हो सकता है, एंड दिस टाइम ओनली 1 ड्रामा वी हैव द प्रपोजल. So your reference to context, 5 questions will be there, each carrying 1 mark, and 1 reference to context will be from drama or prose, and question number 4, your reference to context will be from poetry, and this will also be from poetry from first flight. Okay children, now both these carries 1 marks each, and these 2 will also have MCQs. Now then comes grammar. Now grammar is going to be for 10 marks. 10 marks 10 MCQs out of 12. So here also 12 MCQs will be given. You have to attempt any 10. Now questions shall be based on the following. अब इनमें कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स कवर किए ग्रामर के हमें वो बताया गया है. We are just seeing it. So what is included? Models, subject verb agreement, quoted speech, commands and requests, statements, questions, determiners. Now reported speech जो है इनके अंदर ही ये चीजें हैं, commands and requests, statements and questions and determiners. So these are the 5 topics that are going to be included for your grammar section, and these will also be 10 marks. 12 MCQ होंगे, उसमें से आपको कोई 10 करने हैं, and this is how this carries 10 marks. The following topics have been deleted. Now कौन कौन से topics हमारे grammar में से delete हो गए हम वो देख लेंगे. Passive voice, clause, nouns, adverbs and relative clause and preposition. So these 3 topics have been omitted for this year. Then see children, अब हमने देखा कि ये 40 marks का हो गया. 20 marks unseen passage, then 10 mark for literature, comprehension, reference to context, one from the drama and prose, and one reference to context from the poem, and 10 questions, 10 marks from grammar. Then we come to part B. Part B is subjective part, subjective question. These are also for 40 marks. सबसे पहले आ जाएगा इसमें writing. Writing is for 10 marks. 5 marks formal letter, and the another 5 is for. So we see formal letter for 5 marks, and then the second one is paragraph writing. This is actually analytical पैराग्राफ. इसमें क्या होगा बेटा, आपको या तो आउटलाइन दी होगी, या डेटा, या चार्ट, या क्लूज दिए होंगे, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस यू हैव टू राइट द पैराग्राफ. एंड बोथ दीज क्वेश्चंस आर फॉर 5 मार्क ईच. इनकी वर्ड लिमिट आप देख लीजिए 100 to 120 वर्ड्स, एंड यहाँ पे भी है 100 to 120 वर्ड्स. एक चीज आपको समझनी पड़ेगी बेटा, पहले 100 to 120 वर्ड्स में जो लेटर पूछा जाता था दैट वाज फॉर 8 marks. Now this time they have reduced it to 5 marks, and they have included paragraph writing, analytical paragraph writing, and that is also for 5 marks. Then literature is for 30 marks. So 10 marks हमारे ऊपर हो गए subjective type में, and the rest is for 30 marks. Let's see how. 4 out of 6. So 6 short questions will be asked, and out of that हमें 4 करने हैं, and these are 2 4s are 8, 2 marks each. Now 6 इसलिए है क्योंकि first 3 जो होंगे questions वो होंगे first flight से, उसमें से आपको any 2 परफॉर्म करने हैं. Next 3 questions will be from footprints without feet, उसमें से आपको 2 select करने हैं. So this is how any 4 and 2 marks each. Likewise 4 out of 6. अब यहाँ पे वर्ड लिमिट थी आपकी 20 to 30 वर्ड्स. Here your word limit is 40 to 50 words. That means these are 3 marks question. इनमें भी सेम है. 6 questions are asked, and you have to answer any 4. So 3 4s are 12 marks. Now 1 out of 2. Next question is long answer type question, in which the question is from first flight. 2 questions will be given. You have to write any one, and this question is for 5 marks, and this is from first flight, and 1 out of 2. That means again 2 options will be there. You have to write any one, and this is also a long answer type question, and the questions will be from footprints without feet. So this is also 5 mark question, and thus making it again the subjective part B to be 40 marks. So 40 plus 40 makes 80. So here children, I would like to tell you that this time paper style is really easy. It just matters that how your preparation is ready, or whether your preparation is ready for it or not. Okay, till then take care of your health and keep studying and keep watching the video. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Thank you.